Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Google Chrome 113 started rolling out late yesterday, May the 2nd. So waited today because I wanted to make sure that most people are now available for 113. So basically, if you go to your Google Chrome browser, and let's go here to Chrome, and you go on the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, then go into Help and About Google Chrome. You'll be moved on to 113.0.5672.63, 64, 65, depending on the version and how you're set up. What's new in here? Nothing really visible. It's all under the hood changes that are happening. One is about Web GPU, which will actually help modern hardware capabilities for rendering. So like your GPU might be used more in a different way to actually display web content better and faster. So all the different graphics possibilities are coming to life slowly under the hood to make things better and faster. Also increase the power of what can be displayed. Now, there's a big redesign of Google Chrome coming, and a lot of the changes are under the hood. There are things that are available only as a test, like there's a new reader mode, and the ongoing redesign work is still not available to be shown, but it's in there. The code is being changed slowly. The reader mode will be in the next version, version 114, that will come out in 4 weeks from now. What probably perhaps is the most important thing about Google Chrome is the fact that it actually has 15 security flaws that are fixed. There doesn't seem to be any 0 days. We know that there's been a couple of those that have been fixed in the past couple of weeks. But there are 15 security flaws. Several of them are high severity. So for at least the purpose of security, do update your Google Chrome browser. The browser is, of course, what you use to go on the web and your first line of defense when it comes to security. So it's important to make sure that you update. Once again, security flaws, when they're exploited, your antivirus does nothing to protect you with that at all. So this is really by far the number one thing to do, is to make sure that you update the web browser to stay safe. So once again, upper right corner to go and check if you have the latest version. Help and About Google Chrome. You should be at 113.0.5672.63, 64, or 65. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.